Hello everybody, welcome back to the Gusto Kitchen. I am Benny, and today we're going to address something that a lot of people have been asking me is regarding knife skills. A lot of people are afraid of larger knives, and I know many people that don't have any in their houses at all because they're afraid to cut themselves. Big knives look scary, but they're actually quite safe if you know what you're doing, and actually I think safer than a small paring knife. So we're going to get a bit into this now. We're going to start off with properly holding the knife. So you're going to have pinch over here by the handle, fingers around over here, and keep them a little bit loose. You see it's a bit loose? This allows you to get the rocking motion. If you're holding it stiff, you can't get the rocking motion as well. And the next thing to think about is your fingers. You have to be curled under. So 2 fingers behind, 1 in front, these 2 fingers go back, and then it's very simple. Keep the point of the blade on the board and cut. Now a lot of people ask me if I'm afraid of cutting myself, and the answer is no. The only way I will cut myself is if I screw up this technique. To prove how well this technique works, I'm actually going to blindfold myself with this very cute sparkly purple little headband that I stole from my daughter. So here goes, and I am really praying here not to look at full on camera and cut my finger off. Well, here we go. So, got all my finger parts. I'm fully intact. Just follow these simple rules. Keep your fingers bent, hold the knife correctly. Blade goes against your fingers, right there against your knuckle. These parts are curled under so you can't cut it. And then you should have no problems. Knife play is safe if you do it the right way. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram at The Gusto Kitch, follow us on Facebook. Share, and follow us, and all the other good stuff. Subscribe. No, I forgot something. Thank you very much for watching.